I stopped doing contents on TikTok. I have over 300k followers on TikTok, but I'm no longer posting there. Not that I don't want to do content. I always want to do content. But the thing here is, I just decided to change the content. But now I don't have the content to do. Well, listen, I was doing pranks back then. And it was a very amazing prank, of course. It was pick-up lines to strangers. However, the kind of content that I used to do then, ikukuwa in line with what I'm doing right now because, well, there's a way you need to behave in a certain profession. At the moment, I'm a teacher. So I decided to just stop it. I deleted a lot of videos, and of course that affected the algorithm on TikTok. So even if I post good content, it'll just take me a longer time before I end up going back to where I used to be, where I used to post a video by 10 minutes. It's at 10,000 views. Well, right now the things are not the same. And I can post a video there, and after 5 days, I've struggled to even reach 1,000 likes. That's the thing. Now, however, I've learned a lot of things, and yeah, you know, one way of learning and becoming the best is by failing. Once you fail, you become the best. And I just decided to again pick myself up, start and be consistent again. I don't yet have a stable content, but I have decided to start doing something, and the content will find me mbele mbele. Now, yeah. But one thing that I've actually learned ni kwamba you always have to do a good content, a quality content from the start. Na usiwahi fikiria ka unapata views ama upati. As long as a good content, you see value in it, be consistent with it, na usichange. Because there's some content which will actually give you a good, it will give you exposure, but it will not be a good exposure. I don't know what you think about that. That's my time for now. Have a good day.